the Vlogmas Day, what was it, 17? Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. You're supposed to say 18, man. Wait. Hi guys, it's your girl Katrina Shans, and welcome to Vlogmas Day
18.
Woo! So today we're heading out to our event. Finally. Massive have on a lip gloss. Cut the cameras. Put on a little lip gloss. So yeah, we're running a tad bit late. But we're now heading out to Market at the Lawn. Starts at 10. It is now 9 or something. But we move. We put on the seatbelt. Alright, let's go. So guys, I just made it to the event. It seems I'm late because all the other vendors are here setting up. But I'm gonna go ahead and find my booth and see if we can move quick and fast. Here is okay. We have Mel with the decor right here. Loving it. So this is our little setup. So we have all our pieces over here, and then we have the star of the show, which is a new piece actually with a new cover up. So hey guys, this is it. It's fine. We also have a little mirror over here, guys. Fine and passion, fine and ginger.
Yeah, we got juke on with passion fruit.
Yeah, I want the juke on with the passion fruit.
Yeah, man, so see her. Mush it up here. Grab a bench, happy bench, most bench. Yes.
Guys, we're just eating. We're gonna eat and hurry up and get back to the custies. But it's going good so far, guys. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie.
If you never want Pepsi, you could have get something else. But we have free cranberry juice for them NCD.
Right? So let's give it a it looks like it's cold. Come closer.
Like we're happy. Yeah. Like that.
Oh, we actually do.
Ready?
Wow.
He's rubbing my back. Please closer. You guys interact and smile at it. I feel like you present
Yeah, but I'm not excited. What you have, girl? You're on video, by the way.
Okay.
So this is Samantha, guys, owner of Swatific. Is it Swatific, right?
Yes,
Swatific.
Swatific,
So she
yes.
does like lovely bonnets,
Right.
head ties, bows, you name it, all handmade.
Yes. So I have the satin bunnies with the tie.
Mm-hmm.
It's reversible. This one is for 2,000.
Okay.
And I have with the elastic for 1,000. So it
Okay.
depends on your preference.
Yes.
Both of them function the same way.
Yes. You hear that, guys? So you can come and check her out online because she's on Instagram as well. I'm gonna get a bunny for myself because yes, love it, love it, love it. I've had in these locks and I have not been taking care of them, hence why they look like this. So they look good same way. I'm gonna probably take them out. Them, but not take care of them, so I need a bunny. So you have to start me out real nice. And pink is my favorite color, so I'm eyeing that pink one. And it's have pink on both sides, reversible. So you can package that one for me, darling. I'll be taking it home today.
Alright, thank you so much.
You're welcome. It was lovely meeting you. And see, she has like bow ties, so many things, so many nice girly things. Claw clips. What them your name again? Some scrunchies, satin scrunchies. Yes, follow them, guys. Follow. All their details.
So mind if I give you a
What? I'm getting freeness. I can't say
maybe a
no.
headband.
Thank you. Really appreciate it. Love it. Love it, girl. Thank you. And these are so cute. I love the prints on these. Yeah, this reminds me of a cover up that I made a couple years back.
Oh.
Yeah, same print but different colors in it.
colors,
Yeah. I see you only have one. With Magor, they said.
Yeah.
And they have like a lot of jerk seasoning marinades and stuff like that. We'll be trying their, can I take it off? I'll be trying their sorrel chutney today. So I'm gonna give it a little taste test and let you guys know how it is. You can follow them on Instagram, right? You guys are on IG? It's Magords. That's it, just Magords?
Magord.
Okay, so search Magords on Instagram and you'll be able to find them, guys. They have a lot of seasonings here, you know, for the Christmas season. A bag of cooking I go on.
And
So
the gift bag, you want to tell them about the gift
the
bag?
gift bag, what about the gift bag? Promote the
It's
gift
for
bag.
3,500, guys. It has everything. This cute little bag.
Ooh, it's so cute.
Look how it go well with our nice
So
outfit.
cute.
Look
Talk
at
to me
that.
nice. Talk to me. Look at it. It's cute for true.
Yes, it is.
It is so cute. So I'm gonna try.
The sorrel shop.
So this is the sorrel chutney, guys. Look at it. Hope I'm recording. Yes, this is it. So we're gonna do a little taste test. Take it out. Alright, so this is it. I'm gonna taste it by itself first. No man, this tastes good. This tastes like something you can eat
By
on its
itself.
own. You don't need anything. It's so delicious. It's good with cheese, guys.
But charcuterie board.
And it's so flavorful. Oh my goodness. This is good.
Oh yeah, that's Magord.
This is lovely, guys. I'm soon come back. I'm gonna taste this somewhere. I'm soon come back. No man, this is the problem. Guys, this is too good to pass up. Oh man, I love it. Guys, NCB is offering free gift wrapping when you shop till you drop. You can come and check it out. We have some swimsuits left. Yeah, that's my charger. And guys, it's dwindling down now, closer to the end of the day. So a lot of people are heading out. A lot of people are packing up. And I see. Are we packing up? Are we packing up? Are we packing up? Or not? Are we packing up? What's the time? Let's give it to the 6. How many minutes left? 4. Guys, we have 4 minutes left. 4 minutes to 6 before we begin packing up. But it's getting pretty dark, so let's just start packing up. Exactly. So nobody can see what we are going on here.
I'm gonna get the boxes.
Yeah, so we need boxes first, and I'm gonna give me the bag. What was that? No, them are mash up.
But we're not gonna have no to take boxes in the bag for it.
Gorgeous. Phones, put all the phones here. I'm gonna see my black phone. Sexy lady.
Where the rubbish bin down in direct?
Rubbish bin? Move it. What the girl likes to move it? Thank you. Good night. Cake galore. Guys, we're in Devon House Bakery trying to get some dinner. I think, yeah, I think Java will. I think they'll have it. So of course we get escargot patties. And regular patties from board. Escargot is fine. Auntie Mel wants escargots. Sure. Escargot. She wants escargot. And their pastries are usually very good as well. So they have cake over here. So you don't want a cake? Show you all the cake. We're having a sweet tooth. My raisin cheesecake. I've only ever had their strawberry. Have I pastries? No? No pastries? That's a Danish. So guys, that is the end of an eventful day. Thank you, Market at the Lawn. You owe us nothing. We'll see you when again? Next week? Hopefully, fingers crossed. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share. Let me know what was your favorite part of today's festivities. If you saw a piece in my showcase that you're interested in, feel free to check it out. Check out my business page and, you know, shop something nice this Christmas season. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh my god.
Just leave look.
My life just flashed before my eyes. Get away, guys.